Today we will introduce you our new arrival RC bait fishing boat. This is the boat. Searchlight, controller with hanging rope, controller antenna, 2 propeller guards, 1 boat battery, 1 charger, 2 buoys, 2 propellers, 1 English menu, and 1 bag to carry out the boat easily. And controller with a hanging rope. It is controller battery. It's included in the package. Antenna. It is long and you can control long distance. This is boat antenna. And here is a big container for bait. And let's start to install the boat battery. You can see that the battery has high capacity and you can use about 220 hours. And turn on the switch. You can see the power is full and all on. Here is the vent plug. You can open it to carry the water or vapor out. Here is the searchlight. You can install on the boat, turn it on, and you also can adjust the angle whenever you want. And let's start to install the buoys. You can see that the buoys is firm. And here is the bag for the boat. You can take it in and carry it with you. Now let's have a float test. You can see that when press the buoy into water, it bounces from the water easily. And it also has a small spray. It means that when running in the water, it can make no sound. You can see that with 2 buoys, it's more stable. You can see that the motor is complete sealed and it is totally waterproof. When it is running, the power is very strong. Let's show you how to install the propeller guard. You can pull up the propeller first and then taking the propeller. And finish. Now let's show you how to remote control. Go forward. Go backward. Turn left. Turn right. Baiting. This is the bait container. It's big, and you can see that the length is about 14 centimeters. The width is about 11.5 centimeters, and the height is about 4 centimeters. Take the box as an example. You can see you can take it easily. Now show you how to bait fishing. Open the container. And you can see that there is spongy cushion. It's to moderate impact when open the container. And put the bait into the container. We start to round in the water now. You can hear that there is no any sound when it is running. Long distance control. Now 2 hours passed. You can see that it has a long control time.